Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to send files from your Samsung phone to an iPhone. As you know, it's really difficult to send a file between these two phones, the Samsung and the iPhone. However, Samsung has now made it really easy in order to transfer files from the Samsung phone to your iPhone. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Gallery app. So let's say, for example, I want to send this file over to an iPhone user. So to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on Share. Next, I'll go ahead and find Quick Share, which looks like this. Tap on this. Now I can go ahead and tap on QR code or link. So this will generate a QR code for anyone to scan and receive the file. So an iPhone user can come along. He or she can use a QR code scanner, can scan the code. And once that code is scanned, it'll then show you what you're trying to share. So as you can see, it expires in 2 days. So it only stays on this Samsung server for 2 days. That person can go ahead and tap on the picture, go ahead and tap on download, tap save it to file. And as you can see, the file has now been transferred over to the iPhone. So there you go, guys. That is how to transfer file from your Samsung S25 Ultra to an iPhone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.